What in the fucking hell was that? What was that? Hugo Bros, for the first time, my G. You see, my G, for the first time you've let me down. What the hell was that, Bafit? You. Bafit, the gloves are off. The threats are off. Naninas Bonella, they are off. Nyabila. What the fuck was that? For me, Bafana. Someone check Lyle Foster's bank account. I don't know what were you doing, my G. I'm Maranamhlanje. Playing in England. Burnley. You know what, Lyle Foster? For you Pela out here. For you Pela. If we don't make it to the World Cup, I swear to God, you better hide. Because that chance you had, free on goal, 1-on-1. Usafuna uqeda wonke umuntu. Ufuna ukuzenza u-R9. Cha ukuthi uRonaldo R9, the original R9. Ungangitshela ngoCristiano R9. Ufuna uqeda wonke umuntu. Finish baba. What was that? Umuntu odlala eEngland lo wafethu. Honestly speaking, benibona umuntu odlala eEngland who's playing his football in the English Premiership, but the best league in the world. Then uzoperforma the way performing ngakhona. Hugo Bros wayangamkhiphanga lo muntu lo wafaka le nkomo yokugcina uMakgopa. At least uMakgopa katazo cause chaos lapha ya. 10 men Zimbabwe. We didn't trouble them that much, let's be honest. Oh my God. Bafethu ichayile bafethu. Another disappointment. Around we go. Another disappointment, another one. Safa, you had a hand in this. This result, maybe it's because of you. Safa. Danny Jordan. I swear to God, Bafethu, if we don't make it to the World Cup, and this is a slim hope, 30% chance, I want everyone gone. Ngiyazi Hugo Bros uzohama ngoba bazomqosha. We know that. But I want everyone gone. From the top. Ngikhuluma phezulu, anginandaba nalaba phansi. Ngikhuluma phezulu. I want them gone, all of them. Caselwe phansi. Hayi ngiyazi lento le bafethu mina ngiyazi. Hugo Bros, why did you have to start Uyaya? More like Yaya. The only Yaya I know is Yaya Toure. Khona Uyaya wethu lo. Uyaya bani lo? More like Yaya Sanogo, not Yaya Toure. You were moving like Yaya Sanogo. Akaqedanga ne full half. 45 minutes was enough. Rusty as shit. Rusty as fuck. Stole. Then you bring on Abbas, another DM. You are playing in Zimbabwe. Why do we have to play 2 DMs? Pumbata. Hugo Bros was not brave enough. Ufaka inkomo yokugcina nge-83, 86 in fact. Faka uMakgopa nge-86 minutes. You need a goal against 10 men. You're still keeping on over Lyle Foster. What? Because he plays for Burnley. You know what, Lyle Foster? I'm not done with you. I'm gonna cook you. Because you know what? You are one overrated striker. You are not. I don't know why Burnley even. No one did Burnley sign man. If Bafana don't make it to the World Cup, Lyle Foster, you better hide yourself in shame. And I wish Burnley will get relegated. You are my number one enemy when Lyle Foster. I don't care, blood. I do not care. You're my number one hater now. Because you've just cost us something so precious to us. As South Africans, we are craving to go to watch Bafana play at the flipping World Cup. 15 years. 15 years. The last time was 2010. Aye, nisibulele. Aye, but bad things are happening in South Africa. Let me tell you something. A lot of things are happening in South Africa. A lot of things are happening in South Africa. Ngikulunge. Hlala boGates Mckenzie lapha uhlezi noDanny Jordan impintshi yakhe. Fucking mafias there. We need football people in our structure. I don't give a fuck, man. What the hell is Gates Mckenzie doing there? Khuluma phone. Ufuna ukubribe abo-referee. It's not gonna happen, my G. This is 2025. You cannot do such. Oh, Nkosi yami, Nigeria, we need. Benin won. We are still second, but let me tell you something. It might be a do-or die for Nigeria and Benin. Benin are playing in Nigeria. So we have to rely on Nigeria. After all the good work we did, from start, we only lost one game, Bafethu. On the field, we lost one game. On the field, we've just blown it now. Bottle jobs. Sipho Mbule, my man of the match. Congratulations out here. Aye, umnandi. Talent. I know. Akekho odlala njengawo out here la eMzansi. I understand why Hugo Boss keep on Nkotha was one of our dangerous players. Might have been quiet, but he was doing damage ngali. He was making the fullback work. He was making left back Sundowns work. Mosquito. Fuck. Damn it. Nigeria winile. Yo, Nkosi yami. If we don't make it to the World Cup, I'm done. I'm done watching ibola. I'm done. Sengizoconcentrate kuBhakania. I'm done watching iBafana. Sengizozimamela iBhakania. At least iBhakania give me happiness, give me grief. I don't care. But when it comes to iBafana, it's been too much grief, Bafethu. Too much. I cannot handle it. I want everyone out at SAFA. Hugo Boss ngiyazi bazomxosha eventually if we don't make it to the World Cup. It's pretty obvious. Remember, people, like the video, subscribe to your boy Mfana Usabelo Kamdluli, comment down below. Wow, this is sad. I'm sad, Bafethu. I'm not happy. Umuntu mela minye Tuesday, mela minye Nigeria kuthi win. Sibanyathile. Zimbabwe came there for a draw. Zimbabwe didn't. They were playing with freedom. Is Zimbabwe. They were playing with freedom. They didn't go there to win, to lose. They went there to just play. Represent the country yabo. Get paid representing their shirts. Then we throw with this mother. Nigeria number. Yo, it's into Nigeria. Zimbabwe number last. We couldn't score. Washington Arubi. Umuntu sihlezi simbona ku PSL bamshaya ama-world, easy goals. Everything went straight to him. If ibhola zange liye straight kuye, it went wide, it went le mabhila phezulu le kuma skyscraper. What a shit performance. Bafana, you better win. You better beat Rwanda home next game, and you better pray Nigeria beats Benin, because that's what we want. Nigeria has to beat Benin, whether they like it or not. That's our only hope now. Abuyile ma calculator. I thought we were done. We were past that ish. The past has caught on with us. I thought the past was the past, but the past has caught on with us. I'm out. Make sure to like the video, to subscribe to your boy. I'm out. Ngiyadlula manje.